3 rounds left against with FIDE candidates 2026 with women's candidates here, so without upcoming by end of these rounds here. With between with Grandmaster in India is Vaishali, the little brother of Pragnananda, with fighting against battle against with number 2 with Grandmaster in China, Zhu Juner. So in this round number 12 with women's candidates, what do you think about the last move with brilliant sacrifice against Knight before resigns against white pieces here? So what do you think about the best games here with women's candidates here? So let's study of this play chess here. White against with Grandmaster Vaishali, the little brother of Pragnananda, and black pieces with Grandmaster in China, Zhu Juner, without number 2 of this one with Grandmasters here. So without exchange clocks here within 1 hour, 30 minutes plus 30 seconds increment. So this is a standard games form. So before we start here, so without chess here, without face-to-face chess within game number 1, so it means so between Norberto Riston versus my own without game number 1. So tomorrow by starting by playing chess here. So in this part of this videos here in women's candidates and also having analyzed of the standings after round number 12. So it means so this is a 3 rounds left here. So white plays Vaishali is e4, c6 by Zhu Caro-Kann defense, d4, d5, and also e5, bishop f5, bishop d3, light square with attacks the bishop, bishop captured. So this is a ugliness by damage by pawn structure here. So it is called by this one with openings with Caro-Kann defense advanced variation here. So this is a very advanced by this variation. And also e6 by Zhu, so prevent by semi-slab here. So this is a semi-slab because this is a 3 connected pass pawn here. And also knight c3 by Vaishali, knight e7 by Zhu, and also knight f3 by Vaishali without next by upcoming by next castling kingside here. And also h6 by Zhu, so no more by with bishop g5 or knight g5. So this is a with starting by connected the pass pawn here. And also h4 with the year of 2026. So this is a disappearance by book lines by Vaishali because novelty. So this is the old main lines with the year of 1911 with playing Jose Raul Capablanca is symbolized castling. So castling kingside. So with a playing by with Grandmaster Jose Raul Capablanca here. So this is a historical by this one with chess here. And or maybe second is king f1 king's Indian here. So this is a second old main lines here. Without third by this one is h4 disappearance by book lines novelty with Vaishali here. And also with knight d7 here. So what's the plans? Or maybe by next of with controls by this one with c5 here. So this is a next move. And also knight e2. So what the plans by Vaishali, or maybe ideas knight g3 or knight f4. So this is a next maneuver here. And also b6 to next by c5 here. So this is a next c5 by Zhu here. And also bishop d2 by Vaishali, c5. So this is a good move precise here without attacks the pawns here. So without attacks the pawns by next maneuver is knight to c6, or maybe here by this one with next maneuver is knight to f5. So this is a next maneuver. And also rook c1 to controls against prevents by Vaishali here. Knight c6 good move against Zhu Juner without threatening the pawns here. So this is a threats the pawns or without capture the pawns here. So this is a according by positional move against this one by solid move. h5 by Vaishali. So this is a very strong move against with white pieces here. And also queen c8. So what's the plus? Or maybe here by queen c8 to next up queen to a6 to start against threatening the pawns here. So this is a given bad move with Zhu Juner. So does not like of this one with queen here. So the best move the one's computer here is bishop to e7. Okay, without upcoming castling. So this is a controls against with ones of this computer engine. So this is a good for advantage here. So queen c8 by Zhu Juner captures. So what the miss with Vaishali? So the miss against rook h3. Okay, rook h3 here. So this is a rook h3 here to no more by castling, because this is a move side by rooks here. So this is a goods for white's advantage here. Okay, so back there, this one is captured this pawn by Vaishali, captured by Zhu, and also queen to d4. Oh, very strong move again. So this is a good precise against with Vaishali here. Or maybe without idea with the next of this one with queen to g4, or maybe without threatening the knights here. So with the threats the knights and pins. So this is a pins against that with controls against with diagonals here. So this is a more advantage by queens. Queen b7. Oh, what the plans? Or maybe here by this one with threatening the pawns, or maybe threats the pawns here. Without attacks the pawns. So this is a good attacks here. So this is a targets here. So this is a without by tempos attacks, without connected by this one with capture the pawns here. Without castling kingside by Vaishalis, without castling. So this is a good move. Without controls by determinations to symbolize here castling here. Rook b8, what a good move by Zhu. Or maybe without idea with queens, with the start by attacks the pawns with eating the pawns here, because this is a provides by this one with queens behind the rooks here. And also with rook c2, without advantage here with the defense, or maybe with next defense by rook b1. So this is a provide against controls against determinations here without solutions. So it means without rooks with defense by protects the pawns. And also pawn a6 by Zhushner here, and also queen f4. What a good move by Shali to prevent by defense the pawns here. Queen to b5. Oh my god, what the plans? Or maybe here by queens with threatening the pawns here. So with the queens with threatening the pawns, so this is a more controls here to provide here with threatening the pawns, with also to attacks this one with pawns here. And also, knight c1, what a good move. With defense by this one with pawns. Rook g8 to prevent, so another bad move by Zhu. So that's not like of computer. So the one's computer is bishop e7, what against miss move again by Zhu Zhuner here. So this is a controls against with advantage here by blacks here. With the back there, this one, rook g8 against by Zhu Zhuner. b3, another X by worst move against by Vaishali. So the ones computed the best is d4. Oh, d4. So what a good precise here against that. So this is a d4 here. So if you pawn to a5, so how do you control here? If you capture this one, if you d takes c5 here, so where do you move against here? And also with g5. Oh, g5 with attacks the queens. So it means with threatening the queens. So this is a more obvious one with the targets here. So it means this is a more obvious one with controls with positional moves here. If you empress had captured here, okay, if you empress had captured with h takes g6 here, and also rook captured. Okay, so this is a good more advantage here. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. Okay, without p3, without worst move against with Vaishali. And g5, what a good move precise here with Zhu Zhuner with threatening the queens here. Vaishali emphasized a good move. Rook captured. And also d4 attacks the pawns with c5 with a good move. Bishop to e7. Oh, what the plans? Or maybe here by next of bishop to g5 with threatening the queens here. So this is a more threats here. Without attacks with counters attacks. And also bishop e3. And also c4. Okay, what does c4 against with Zhu Zhuner with attacks the pawns here. In idea of without explain, for example here, why don't we move if you bishop to g5? Why don't we move with the threatening by queens here? So where do you going to move here? Oh, with that move side here with queen here. Oh, queen. So queen h2. Without backwards here. So it means with openings by with dark square with bishop to bishop here. So if you bishop captured here, if you bishop captured. So it means, so this is a controls against that. So this is a good more explanations, for example here. So back there, this one is c4 against attacks this pawns here. Captured with a threatening the queen, so bad move. So that's not like of captured with Vaishali. So the one's computer is knight to h4. Oh, what the good precise here. Knight h4 is a threatening the rooks here. So with the threats the rooks here. If you rook g5, wait, rook g5 is the rook g5. If you rook g5 here, so rook g5 here, and also with captured, and also b takes captured here. If you b takes captured with threatening the queens here, and also queen a4. Okay, queen a4. So queen a4 here. So without threatening the rook, so threatening the rooks and without controls against the with attacks the pawns here. I mean attacks the rooks here, and also with rook d2. Oh, rook d2. So this is a more controls here. So this is a goods for examples here. Without captured here, so it means so this is a bad move against with Vaishali here. So it means without best here, so this is a good slightly advantage for whites. So this is a more examples here. So without captured here, so it means this is a symbolized bad move because this is a threats the queens. Captured by Zhu, and also knight a2, okay, with defense by pawns here, and also knight b4 with Zhu with attacks the rooks here, or maybe without attacks here, attacks the rooks and without pawns here, without attacks the pawns, and also rook b2, okay, with more attacks this one with knights here. So this is a provide by this one with determinations here. Without queen c6 avoided here with controls by queens here, and also rook battery. So another bad move by Vaishali, so does not like. So this is a good determination. This is a not good. So this is a bad determinations here. So this is a bad determinations by Vaishali. So the best move against with bishop d2. Bishop d2. So this is a good provides here with threatening the with knights here. So this is a according this one by Chetara Chetara. So this is a goods for advantage here. So back there is battery rook fb1 by Vaishali, and excelente is rook b5 against by Zhugener here, and also d5 with more controls, or maybe here by this one by next with knight to d4 to prevent by this one with threat the queens and rooks here, because this is a movement by this one with pawns with threatening the queens here. And without idea is knight captured pawns with threatening the bishop and queen e4. So without example here, why don't we move by knight fd4 with threatening the queens here? So this is a threats here. So without threats the queens here, and also with rook captured accepted, rook captured and queen a8. Without queen a8. So this is a good more provides here. So another examples here. So it means, so this is a more examples. So it means if you knight 2 here, why don't we move knight d4 here with threatening the queens and rooks? So it means continue against rook captured, rook captured. So it means this is a provides by this one with queen a8 here. So this is a more of this one with first by second examples. Okay, so without back there, this one is queen e4 by this one with Vaishali here, and also with queen backwards b7 to no more by this one with knight here. So this is a movement, so no more by knights, or maybe here by knights here. So without more by this one with knight here. So without knight to d4 here. So this is a no more here. So no more by move here by this one, because this is a with backwards against with queens here. So without backwards here. And also bishop d4 to prevent by defense by pawns with bishop. So does not like of Vaishali's computer here. So the one's computer the best is rook captured accepted, rook takes. So rook takes b5 and captured. So this is a good more advantage here for whites here. So this is a good slightly better here. So back there, this one is bishop d4 without defense the pawns, and h5 by Zhu, king h1, and also rook g4 threatening the queens, and without queen h7. What are plans? Or maybe by this one by Next by queen to h8 with check. So this is a check. Oh, without more of this one with check here. And also, pawn h4 to push against with Zhu. Queen h5. Rook g6 by Zhu. Rook h8 check. So this is a worse move. So this is a unpositional move here. So this is a wrong move against with Vaishali. So does not like of this computer. So the one's computer, the best move this one is without knight captured here with h4. Oh, knight captured h4. So without threatening the rooks here. So this is a threat here. So it means if you rook more of this one with g8. Okay, rook g8 here. Without backwards here. And also queen h7 here. Oh, queen h7 threatening the rooks here. And also with rook to move side. Where do you move? Oh, rook here. Rook to g4. Oh, rook g4. Okay, rook g4 is a move side here. So this is a good more advantage here by positional move here. So this is a good solutions against whites and blacks here. So without queen h8 check here, and also knight f8 with defense. So this is a worse move by Zhu. So without good better move, this one is bishop to f8. So this is a move side with blocking by bishop here. So this is a good advantage for without blocks here. Okay, so back to this one is knight f8 against Zhu Junior here. And also a4 by Vaishali, threatening the rooks. Inaccept. Why? Oh, rook b8. Why rook b8? So it means if you move side here, so it means rook b8 by Zhu. In it connected here, why don't we rook captured? If you rook captured accepted, rook captured here, threatening the queens. And also queen a8. Oh, with queen a8 here with backwards here. So this is a good easy by advantage here, for example. So this is a examples by continuous. Without rook b8, why cannot buy rook captured accepted by Zhu Junior? Because this is a move side by this one with rook b3. Because this is a move, because this is the pawns here to prevent by defense by rook. So this is a controls. And rook captured accepted, captured, knight c1 attacks the pawn. So another against with bad move by Vaishali. So that's not like of computer. I'm sorry, I've got wrong. So it means knight c1 is a bad move here. So the better move here, this one is queen to h5 here. So queen h5. So this is a best shot here. So this is a good more advantage by solutions for whites here. Without knight c1 attacks the pawns and excelente h3. Oh, what a sacrifice here. So excelente by Zhu Junior. So this is a sacrifice. Knight captured b3. Oh, knight captured. So this is a knight captured b3 here by more of this one with continuous here. Captured with check. And also king h2. And also with g1 queen by Zhu. So this is a queens by promotes here by Zhu Junior. Knight captured here by Vaishali here. And also knight c3. Oh, with knight c3. So this is a sacrifice here. So this is a brilliant sacrifice. So this is a sacrifice. So resigns by Grandmaster Vaishali here. So why she resigns? So if your bishop captured here, only move, and with queen, more of this one with g2 mating net here. Okay, so this is a lose against with Vaishali here. So the score with Vaishali 81.3 and with 86.5. So it means winning by Zhu Junior here. Okay, so let's see by this one with final result with the standings here after round number 12. Okay, with the first by 7 points by Grandmaster Vaishali Ramesh Babu. So it means without first place without winning by champion against with FIDE candidates here. Without little brother of Pragnananda. And second by 7 points by Grandmaster Zhu Junior. And third by 6.5 by Anna Mosaichuk. And Bibi Sara Asabayeva with Grandmaster Kazakhstan. and Grandmaster Katarina Lagno with Russia, and also Grandmaster Russia Alexandra Gorshkina, and also with 5 points by Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh, and the number 8 by 5 points by GM Tan Songmi here. Okay, so the next by round number 13. So I will choose by women's candidates here. So without betweens by Lagno versus Dashmukh. So I will analyze here without games. So 2 rounds left here. So I hope on this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Akumark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So it means happy Sunday and bye bye.